Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the monster frog from Zoonomaly. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off near the top and let's draw the eyes. Let's draw two large curves up and back down. And then inside at the top, let's draw two large circles. And then color both of these in black. Next, let's hop underneath and let's draw a jagged line to close off the bottom. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's move underneath and draw the mouth. Let's start by drawing a curve across. And then add some bumps underneath to close off the shape of the mouth. And now let's color the mouth in black as well. And that's it for the face. Now let's move out and let's draw the shape of the body. Let's start on top of each eye and let's draw a large curve on top. And then on top in the center, let's draw another curve across. Now for both sides, let's continue it by curving it down and in, meeting at the bottom. And that's it for the shape of the body. Now let's move out and draw the arms. From the sides, let's draw a curve out. Then let's curve it down and back up. And then one more curve to close off the arms. Now let's hop down and draw the legs. Let's draw a curve down underneath on the left and on the right. Then let's hop inside and let's draw another set of curves down. Now underneath each of these lines, let's angle it down and in. Now for the feet, let's curve it out, a slightly wavy line at the bottom, and then close off the ends. And then add some curves inside for the toes. And that's it for the monster frog. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!